Try to imagine a time before time. Picture a place before space. It's a struggle, isn't it? Our minds are built for a world of cause and effect, of yesterday and tomorrow, of here and there. But the universe doesn't care about the limits of our imagination. Before the cosmos we know burst into existence, there was something. Or maybe there was nothing. This is the ultimate cold case. The scene of the crime is gone, and the chief suspect, the Big Bang, is also the victim and the entire universe that followed. We're trying to figure out what happened before the first tick of the cosmic clock. It's a journey to the very edge of reality itself. Our story begins about 13.8 billion years ago. In an instant, an infinitely hot, infinitely dense point exploded. It wasn't an explosion in space, but an explosion of space, and time, and matter, and energy. Everything. This was the Big Bang. From this singular, fiery moment, you might be thinking, this is a fool's errand. If time itself began with the Big Bang, asking what came before is like asking what's north of the North Pole. It's a question that seems to cancel itself out. For a long time, many scientists felt the same way. The Big Bang was treated as the absolute beginning, a singularity. Let's start with the most mind-bending idea of all. What if the universe came from nothing? I don't mean empty space. I mean nothing. No space, no time, no matter, no energy, no laws of physics. How can you get a whole universe with its trillions of galaxies and untold wonders from that? The total energy of the universe might actually be zero. Now, let's explore an idea that bridges the gap between nothing and something. Imagine shrinking down, way, way down. Smaller than an atom, smaller than a proton, smaller than anything you can possibly conceive. Down here, our smooth, predictable concepts of space and time completely dissolve. According to some theories, space-time itself becomes a chaotic, bubbling, churning soup. Think of the surface of the ocean. From a satellite high above, it looks smooth and calm. But if you were a tiny microbe floating on it, you'd be tossed around by a chaotic world of waves and bubbles and froth. So, what if our universe isn't a one-time event? And what if it's just the latest in an endless series of universes? This is actually the core idea behind what's called the bouncing universe or cyclic universe model. It proposes that the Big Bang wasn't really a beginning, but more like a rebound, a big bounce. In this scenario, there was a previous universe that, instead of expanding forever, eventually slowed down, stopped, and began to contract. It fell back in on itself over billions of years, heading for what's known as a big crunch. Searching for clues, these are all fascinating ideas, but are they just science fiction? Or, can we actually test them? This is where science gets really clever. Physicists aren't just telling stories, they are making predictions. Our best tool for this cosmic archaeology is the cosmic microwave background, or CMB. This is the faint glow of heat left over from the Big Bang. Prepare yourself. We're now entering a realm where the line between theoretical physics and science fiction gets, well, wonderfully blurry. The ideas we've discussed so far are already mind-stretching. One of the most popular and tantalizing of these is the idea of the multiverse. Our universe might not be the only one. It could be just one bubble in a vast cosmic ocean of other universes. With all these incredible competing theories, where does that leave us? The honest answer is, we don't know. Right now, we are at the edge of a vast dark ocean, and we've only just dipped our toes in the water. Each of these theories, from the simple bounce to the complex multiverse, is a masterpiece of human ingenuity. The Big Bang itself acts as a cosmic curtain. So why does this question matter? We do it because we are human. We do it because curiosity is encoded in our DNA. To ask what came before is to be part of a tradition as old as our species. The answer to this question, whatever it may be, would fundamentally change our perception of reality. This exploration forces us to be humble. This quest is a testament to the power of the scientific method, a process that allows us, a species confined to a small, rocky planet, to logically and rigorously debate the creation of everything. It connects us to the cosmos, and in doing so, it helps us understand our own place within it. The journey is the destination.